Are your clients struggling to adopt healthier habits? It's time for a game changer. With Practice Better, you can quickly create professional recommendations for your clients that are clear and actionable. Imagine providing guidance that your clients can easily follow, building their confidence in every step. Our app ensures your advice is always accessible, no matter where they are. Save time by reusing personalized templates and recommendations for consistency and reliability. Customizing care based on individual needs is simple, making every client feel valued and understood. Enhance clarity with easy-to-follow supplement instructions and integrate with online dispensaries for effortless ordering. Just like Emily Harris, you'll love having all your treatment plans in one convenient place. Transform your practice and empower your clients today. Visit our website to get started.